We're at Moravan Airport with Microflight looking at some of their aircraft. Microflight have been using the Peplink routers in several of their aircraft to support a variety of different industries, from emergency services to commercial applications. These aircraft are not always fitted. They've actually got a solution where they take the equipment in and out on an as-need basis. Very project directed. Very amazing to see how they do it. Now, if you want some help with airborne communications, airborne video services, Microflight are well set up to do that throughout Australia and the world. Reach out to the team at Microflight, reach out to Rising Connection, put you in touch with each other, and you can have services that serve so many amazing industries around the world and Australia: video, surveillance, and all sorts of other interesting systems. Catch you online.